warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will tell you about the history of school from the past until now. First, we will introduce our name. My name is Aidil Saputra, and this is my friend
Siti Nurhana.
We are from the 12th grade of IPA 4. Long story short, in 1983, Monchen referred community together deliberation to establish a high school foundation called SMA Mboya in the land of gifts from very meritorious people. SMA 1 Kataman is a private school known as SMA Mboya, and then the following year it became a public school in 1994 to be exact on October 5.
Well, the initial number of teachers at that time was only about 10 people because we only had about 3 classes in grades 10, 11, and 12 in 2001. SMA Negeri 1 Kataman already has a 140 students. If there are still mistakes and shortcomings, we apologize.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Danwarta. I want to show one of the achievement of SMA M1 Kataman School, including trophy for the second winner of the Marga Jaya Cup 2 futsal tournament in Pelangiran District in 2019. Award for the second place, winner of the 2010 High School Drum Band Competition, and the award for the first place in the men's team world at the SMK SMA MA level in 2018.
Now we are in the school administration room. The school administration room is part of the technical implementation unit for the administration and information system of education in the school. This is the teacher's room, the place where the teachers work, checking the students' assignment. Some of the facilities that we can see here are tables, chairs, globals, blackboards, and eggs.
Well, then there are some photos of teachers who teach in each of his subjects in Miss Herwati ASPD MPD as headmaster, Mr. Drs. Samsinir as a teacher of religious education, Miss Nursani SPD as teacher of chemistry, Miss Riza Novita SSI as a teacher of physics, Miss Elina Wati SPD as a teacher of history, Mr. Hasbul Bakri as teacher of economy, Miss Helmi Ruspita as teacher of geography, Mr. Desi Putra SPD as teacher of English, Mr. Sulmat Eskom as a teacher of computer science, Miss Mujiatin SSI as teacher of biology, Mr. Zulkifli SPD GR as teacher of chemistry, Miss Sriwayuni SPD as teacher of mathematics, Miss Zailiana SPD as teacher of art culture, Miss Lilis Zuraida SPD as teacher of Indonesian, Miss Nurdauna SI as teacher of economy, Mr. Agus SPD as teacher of mathematics, Miss Rita SPD as teacher of administration, Miss Nurjana as teacher of administration. Miss Erna Yarnis SPD as a teacher of Indonesian. Miss Nur Julias Mayanti SPD as teacher of English. Miss Juweni Lismianti SPD as teacher of history. Miss Suza Aida SHGR as teacher of Civic education.
Mr. Budianto SPD as teacher of physical education. Miss Lizafra SPD as teacher of Melayu education. Miss Rafika SAP as teacher of library. Mr. Apriyadi SPD teacher of physical education. Miss Nurlini Eka Putri SPD as teacher of chemistry. Mr. Indra Faizal SPD as teacher of sociology. Miss Mega Oktovir-Daningsih SPD as teacher of physics. Mr. Sumono SPD as teacher of entrepreneurship and counseling guidance. Mr. Agusman SPD as teacher of English. Mr. Diantian Saputra SPD as teacher of entrepreneurship. Mr. Abdul Qadir SPD as teacher of civic education. Miss Ida Laila SI as teacher of economy. Mr. Nofriadi SPD as teacher of physical education. Mr. Abdul Rahman SPD as teacher of civic education. Mr. Abdul Malik Eskom as teacher of entrepreneurship. Miss Novita Sari SPD as teacher of mathematics. Miss Karyani SPD as teacher of Melayu education and counseling guidance.
In class 10, there are 36 chairs and 30 tables. And there are 2 blackboards, there are 3 photos. Namely photos of the President, Vice President, and Pancasila this area decoration with flower decoration in the classroom. This 10th grade student has high creativity. The level of activity and the pilot of organization is also high, one of which is student council. For grade 11, it has several locales. Each locale has many students each. In grade 11 is not much different from other locales has 36 chairs and 30 two blackboards, and there are photos of the president, deputy, also the Pancasila symbol. For 11 grade students, including students who have quite a lot of leadership. 11 grade student organization, one of them is PR and student council. And finally, the high predicate class is class 12. At this level they are a class having their respective guardians and class leader. This is an example of class 12, namely class 12 Science 2, which has a clean and tidy local students for all 12 graded are social, helpful, and great with external media.
And now we are at Senior High School Grade 1 Kateman field. Here I will show you the part of this field. There are football field,
basketball court, and over there we have volleyball court. Behind the volleyball court there is also a canteen, and inside the canteen there are 3 food stalls, and behind the canteen there are 9 toilets, 8 toilets for the student and 1 toilet for teacher. Now I am in the park of Senior High School Grade 1 Kateman. Seems like Field and Park Senior High School Grade 1 Kateman also provides school dormitory for the students who live far away from the school. In front of this dormitory, there is also a musola for Muslim students to pray.
Okay, so now I'm at Senior High School Grade 1 Kateman Library. In this library, we have a lot of books for students to read. Now I'm in the school health clinic of Senior High School Grade 1 Kateman. At this school we have 2 laboratories equipped with several facilities. The laboratory that I show you is a computer laboratory. 3 are several facilities such as air conditioning, focus, table, chairs, and of course computer and laptop.
Why did you choose school at the Senior High School Grade 1 Kateman?
Because this senior high school is located in the Sungai Buntung.
Is it just because of this?
Of course not. Also because I know this senior high school is an accredited senior high school. I think if it's an accredited, the facilities and learning must be good for support to continue studying.
Oh. After you enter this senior high school, how do you think about this senior high school? Is it according to what you think?
Of course good, same as what I thought, such as facilities and learning can be a support to continue studying.
Why did you choose school at the Senior High School Grade 1 Kateman?
Because this school has a complete facility.
What kind of facilities are in your grade?
The facility include a chemistry lab, library, prayer room, canteen, dormitory, and computer. Lab equipped with air conditioning, but I think the most important have a basketball court.
As you can see, this Senior High School has a good training and very complex facilities. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join our